That was a cute little farmer's market. I really am just trying to find fresh bread. They did have some of it, but it's a big loaf and I can't eat all of that. I'm seeing so many cute stores. I went into the store called Tiger and it's like a craft supply, lots of notebooks. But that one near me was cash only. I don't want to use my euros yet, so I'm going to walk to the one that's closer to our study center. Since I've been in Rome for about a week now, it's been like a full week since I've been here. I've been walking around everywhere and I actually am finding my way around the city without using my GPS. So I guess that's pretty cool. Honestly, I'm just remembering landmarks. I guess today it's actually gonna rain. It was supposed to rain for like 2 days in a row, but it never did. But the sky's actually like turning black now, so I'm hurrying back to the apartment. The streets are like empty. Like, do people like go inside when it rains? Like, I know they do that in New Orleans, but I don't think Italian rain is like New Orleans rain. Like, I'm actually confused why no one is out. Like, it is me and some cars going by.
I'm home, I'm soaked, and I'm hungry. So first I'm gonna pull my gelato out of the freezer so it can melt a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna have some leftover chicken fried rice. Hold on. Okay, so let me show you what I got. First I got a floppy hat, but it got soaked because of the rain, but it's been so sunny here and so bright, and like I need shade, so I got that. I'm gonna have to let this dry. I also got 2 notepads. It's like a to-do list, and like if you don't already know, or you're new to the channel, I am obsessed with planning and organization, so I'm super excited to use those. And then finally, I got planner. Let me open up and show you. Like, isn't this, it's not a planner, it's just a notebook, but isn't it nice? Like, I'm super excited to use this. And I also made notes of the stores I wanted to go back to. Mainly I was like window shopping. And like, I want to make sure I have room for everything that I'm buying. So I'm kind of also using that technique as well. But I need to like let this stuff like dry. Hold on. Oh, I forgot about the souvenirs that I got. I got a sculpture of the Colosseum because we went yesterday. And then I found a magnet that says Roma. And it has the Colosseum, the Arch of Constantino, the Pantheon, St. Peter's, the Spanish Steps, and the Trevi Fountain. So I love that. These socks really need to dry. You're all blurry. We had our apartment shown today to, I guess, future tenants, which like, it's fine. Like, I left during the time they were being shown the apartment, but I guess in the back of my mind, I just kept thinking like, I'm not here, like they could easily take something, or I don't know. It's just always in the back of my mind. But I'm super hungry, so let me eat something. But I have to FaceTime my mom because I found a lot of cute bags, and I'm thinking of getting her and my aunt one, but I want to make sure it's something they like, you know what I mean?